What's up, everybody, and happy holidays. Guys, it's that time of year where we do my holiday gift guide. These are the things that I use in my kitchen in the backyard that I think the cook in your life or the griller in your life might want. We're right in the middle of the holiday season, so I want to make sure I get this to you guys in time, right? So you have time to buy them wonderful gifts that I'm about to show you. Guys, come along with me on this one. I got my list here. I'm checking it twice. These are things that I use pretty much in all my videos or in my day-to-day cooking. All right, so they're proven. I dig them. I think the griller or the cook in your life is gonna dig them. So let's go ahead and get started on this. Before we get started going through this list, I need to be upfront and let you know that the links all down below for all of these items I'm gonna show you are affiliate links. It doesn't cost you anything extra to use these affiliate links. In fact, some of them have coupon codes, so they're gonna save you a little bit of cash. But I do get a small commission on them, so it helps out your boy, helps out the channel. Some of them are Amazon links. Some of them are links to the product websites. Either way, they're all affiliate links. So, if you're gonna buy something for the cook or grill in your life, this is the time to start, and I appreciate it, anybody who does. All right. First thing we're gonna check off our list today is the Ninja Woodfire XL Pro. You've seen me use this in hundreds of videos on my channel, and I wholeheartedly recommend it. If you have limited space where you can't have a big old smoker, if you live in a condo, you have a balcony, something like that, but you want some good old-fashioned barbecue, get this Ninja Woodfire Grill. It comes with an intuitive app. It connects to your wood fire via Bluetooth or via the Wi-Fi. So you can't go wrong with it. You set up your cooks on the app. It alerts you the whole way on your phone. It's a great little setup. And of course, if you're gonna be buying that Ninja Woodfire Grill, go ahead and grab some of them Smokin Pecan pellets. Now guys, I've been rocking with Smokin Pecan pellets for the longest time, and I believe that they're the best pellets for any of your pellet smokers. They're made from all natural pecan shells, so they burn cleaner, they burn longer, and they're perfect for that wood fire grill. My code below gets you 10% off your order, so might as well take advantage of it. And definitely you'll enjoy the flavor that comes along with that smoke. And after you're done buying them Smokin Pecan pellets, go down below and grab my e-cookbooks for the Ninja Woodfire. That's right, I got 4 e-cookbooks for the Ninja Woodfire grill. You download them. They're simple, effective, gives you step-by-step, gives you the ingredients, cook time, the temps, all those good things. Can't go wrong with getting those. They're so much better than the little cooking manual that comes with that Woodfire grill. Next thing we're going to talk about is the ThermoPro Temp Spike Plus Bluetooth wireless thermometer. Guys, you see me use these ThermoPro products in a ton of my cooks, and know I'm Team ThermoPro, and you know I really stand by them. And right now, during the holidays, if you buy one of those Temp Spike Pluses, you'll get a second one for free. So you keep one for yourself while you're still doing that gift giving thing going on right now. So you can't lose on it. It'll save you a good amount of money. And speaking about saving money, if you use my coupon code, it'll save you an extra 15% on the order. So guys, I'd suggest you check it out. And my link will take you to their website, so you could order any of these wonderful ThermoPro products. I have them all. I use them all, from the instant reads to the Bluetooths to all of them in between. Guys, check out the ThermoPro website. There's tons of deals to be had on there. Y'all, if you're with me thus far, please hit that thumbs up. Comment down below what you're gonna buy out of all these awesome gifts that I'm presenting for you. I won't tell the person you're buying it for, I promise. Okay, moving along, we got the Dalstrong Knives collection. As you can see, I'm a huge collector of Dalstrong knives. So 2 of the favorite series that I like are the Quantum 1 and the Delta Wolf series. I'm going to put the link down below to their website, and it will give you the choice to look at anything and everything on their site. Gotta have a good chef's knife, have a great paring knife, and then get yourself a slicing knife, and you're pretty set as far as knives go. But they have plenty of block sets in there where you can get a multitude of knives and, have a nice display case with a nice knife block. You cannot go wrong with giving these knives to the griller or cook in your life. They will love you forever. Trust me, guaranteed. CJ stamps of approval on it, all right? All right, we got a little intermission. Get a little freshie. Give me a little Red Bull. Give me some wings to get through this list. It's nectar of the gods right there. I'll throw an Amazon link for Red Bull. I would guarantee you some of you guys are gonna head to Amazon, grab some Red Bull right now because you know it gives you wings. Y'all, you see me use his products on a crap ton of my videos because I believe in him. I love him. He's a brother to me. But UncleSteveShake.com. A lot of you guys have bought his shakes based on my recommendation. Now, if you want to share that love with your loved ones, Uncle Steve Shake has a gift box. That gift box has 12 sample sizes of his most beloved shakes. All right, from the original to the dessert to Magic Ribs to my personal West Coast shake. It's all in there. Guys, this is a hell of a deal. This one is not an affiliate link, but this is one I wanted to share with you guys because I love my brother Uncle Steve, and I want you to check him out and get this for your friends and family. This is one way you could spread Uncle Steve's love everywhere. That sounds bad, but I think you get the point. All right, the next cooker I want to show you guys is the SNS Master Kettle. Guys, this is a beast of a kettle. And people always ask me, you know, I have a multitude of grills and smokers in the backyard. People always ask me what's my favorite. And I tell you what, I could give away all of those grills and keep that kettle, and I could do anything and everything I want to do on it. Smoking to grilling to baking, you know, there's just a multitude of things you could do. It's relatively inexpensive compared to those big smokers out there. You've seen me use them in my videos. I use it damn near on the daily for the family cooks, all right, when I'm out there grilling. So, guys, check it out. Again, links down below. All right, so you've seen on my channel recently that I've been working with Guy Fieri's Flavortown Laser Titanium pots and pans. So I wanted to go ahead and include them in this video. Guys, I've used tons and tons of pots and pans over this career of YouTube greatness here. And I tell you what, these have got to be some of the best I've ever used. They're laser titanium finished, so there is no coating on them. So you can use metal utensils on there, and you don't have to worry about scraping any of those harmful bits into your food. All them bits that people worry about with their regular nonstick cookware. And again, I would not put anything in front of you that I don't use myself. So you can take it from Uncle CJ over here at your back. So if I'm suggesting something to you, it's worth the price of admission. Next up, I want to share with you the True Board cutting board. Now, this is a new cutting board to me. I've been using it for a little bit, been working with the owners of the company and helping them out a little bit, giving them my opinions on, you know, how it goes. And guys, this is a wonderful cutting board because you can raise it up. That's right, the feet of the cutting board are adjustable. So you can raise it up in the back just ever so slightly, but you're cutting all them juices. There's a nice juice groove around the board, and that juice groove pours into a juice collector. All right, so as you're cooking, you got all that good juices running off your bird, off the roast, whatever. It goes in that little cup. You take that cup out and pour it back over your bird, pour it back over them roasts, and you get that flavor back into it. You're not losing out on them good juices. Dig it? I think you should give it a shot. You can check it out. And they have a way for you to personalize the cutting board. So you could put your initials, whatever. I put my logo on it. Can't go wrong with a great cutting board. They have 2 different sizes. So check them out. The next few things I'm going to talk about are just essentials that I have for like cooking and grilling that are more on the inexpensive side. First up, I have some of these trays, these BBQ Prep Trays. They're the Mylar. They're very strong, very durable. I use them all the time in my cooks. I have about 6 of them in my prep drawer, but you know, 2 will do you right. So let me check my list here. Now we're gonna go into the Drip BBQ Prep Tray. Now this is a 3-piece set. It basically uses it as a cutting board. You pop it out and it becomes a deep tray where you can do your seasoning and marinating in it. And it even comes with a lid that sticks on it. This is something that I haven't really used in my videos, but I use for prep all the time around here. It's the coolest little prep tray you can use, and you could put a brisket in there, you could put pork butts, you could do anything to marinate, season, all that good jazz. Okay, now we're gonna talk about the gloves I use. So first off, I always use the black nitrile Venom steel gloves. I use those more for my prep around here because I'm dealing with cameras, lights, and all that stuff. But it's really great if you're doing a lot of cooking or cleaning or whatever. They're very durable gloves. They don't snap and break like the other cheapos that you can find out there. And then when I'm handling some very hot brisket or pulled pork or pulling something off the grill, I actually line those gloves with these white cotton liners. So I put the cotton liner on first, and then I put the nitrile glove on there, so it keeps my hand from burning, but it also keeps the cotton gloves from getting dirty and getting, you know, juicy soaked into it too. So the combination of the nitrile glove and that cotton glove, it's perfect and it helps out. greatly. Okay, next, if I'm dealing with some real fire or some really hot coals or anything like that, I like to use these heat-proof gloves, and I have the skeleton style gloves. I like these skeleton ones. They look kind of cool to me. Yeah, I have no other reason. They work great, but I'll have the link down below for them too. All right, guys, that's where we're done. All right, we're finishing up this bad boy. I do want to shout out all the show producers that you see scrolling across the screen right now. They believe in me. They help me out. They help make this channel better. And I wouldn't be where I am today without, you know, the great support of all those show producers. So if you'd like to become a show producer too, there are 2 ways to join up. Either you hit that Patreon link in my video description, or you hit that join button right next to the subscribe button, which you should have already hit right now. All right, guys, I'm out of breath. I'm gonna finish my Red Bull. I hope y'all have a wonderful, wonderful holiday. All right. Make sure you comment down below. Tell me what you're gonna buy. And comment down below what your favorite holiday tradition is. All right, I want to hear it. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for shopping with CJ. Cheers.